My hair is getting so long. I thought you were gonna bite my finger, but no, you just said.
That's what I do to my dog.
I grabbed my dog's tongue.
What?
Alright, my broskies, I gotta bounce. Hey, shut up, I'm trying to. Alright, my broskies, I gotta bounce. Bounce on your boy's dick. Just to give you guys some, like, pointers. If the floor falls from under you, your tampon will drop with it. Yeah. I learned that the hard way. I felt my tampon slip out. But it's alright. And then your face, you were like,
there was a car behind me.
Yeah, I know, there's a whole line of cars. That's why I did it.
And I'm gonna do some with them.
McKenna! You're gonna kill us! What?
My dog doesn't have a collar and is very skinny. My dog definitely looks like a stray.
What are you doing?
Get out.
No,
you know how to get home from here?
Which way?
It's just straight.
No, I ain't fucking getting
Get out.
I'm not fucking getting
out. Go to their house. Yeah. Get out! Get out! Go.
No. You.
McKenna! McKenna, there's people.
I know!
Give me your hand.
Ow! No.
Shit, hold up. I'm gonna run inside and grab my money because I think. Cool.
Alright,
I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll chill here.
Okay.
Ew! She's so goddamn close. She fucking drives all the way up here. The fuck? This is how she drives. All the way up, touching the wheel. Good soup.
You said you want white chocolate instead of, or what?
White.
Okay, I'm so sorry about that. What can I get started for you?
Let me try. Oh. I'm not. Oh.
I have Just Dance discs for the Wii.
Oh shoot, I have a Wii! You should definitely like get those from your house.
Right now?
You don't have to leave till for another hour. Are they at your mom's house? Oh no.
You wanna leave? You wanna leave?
Stop. Where did you get that?
On the floor. Yeah?
Yeah?
That's a pee, but I feel.
Go! Sorry. What?
She looked at. I have to pee so bad. You look like Ronald McDonald. Or like Pennywise.
That's just fucked up. Bitch!
Look at the games.
I knew you were gonna do that.
Fuck off. I saw if you don't want to get kidnapped, like limp and start fucking talking to yourself. And,
Yeah, like
making
go
noise.
psychotic. Oh, good. Welcome to the vlog.
Guys, I gotta tell you something. So my boobs are really big, right? I have a fucking rash in between my boobs from rubbing against each other.
I've never had that problem in my life.
I'm gonna shoot ya.
Why does this look so... Oh, why is it so little?
That's good. That is some good shit.
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
Oh, that's good. You're done.
You're a whore.
You're done.
Bye, bitch.
Bye. Bitch, you did that on purpose. This is definitely enough. Why are you going in backwards? Let's turn around. You're not fully getting out, are you?
My boobs don't fit.
What if we got stuck?
That's what we had to call her mom.
Mom, we're stuck in the sunroom.
You know what we could put in our Sprite?
That was an example of what not to do. Now, McKenna will show you another example. Hit the ball.
Watch this.
Move.